Does that not look cozy?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
Seriously, I just love the old Christmas music. Love, love, love it. And it really does inspire me. So today we're going to do something a little bit different on this episode. And I'm still kind of working the details out in my head, so I have no idea how this is going to turn out. But I thought we would do it together. So if you want to see what I'm about to do, stick with me. All right, guys, let's get into the nuts and bolts of what this video is about. So as you know, we're in the kitchen. These are the doors to my mudroom. These are the doors to my walk-in pantry. As you all know, my kitchen uppers and lowers cabinets are all white. My main kitchen island is a cabinet that's called espresso, so it's really dark. To be totally honest with you, I'm kind of missing cabinets with colors with some warmth. And my kitchen lately has been making me feel kind of sterile. Like I'm not feeling it. So with Christmas, I thought to myself, this is my inspiration. Wait for it. This lantern that I got from Walmart. I have two of them, and these are sitting on my island, one under each dropped light. And I absolutely love the pop of red against this backdrop. But over here is driving me nuts. So I had this idea. And again, this may or may not turn out. But see these French doors right there? I thought, well, what I'm thinking is, what if I were to add little valances to each door to bring in some color? So you know that red lantern I just showed you? I went to Walmart and I picked up some material. Now, I know some of you are going to think, whoa, too bright. What were you thinking? Just trust me on this. I think it's going to work out cute. I got two different types of material. I'm still going back and forth on which one I want to use. But I got this material. I'm kind of on the fence with it. I don't think it's bright enough. And then I got this material. And I think I'm kind of leaning towards this because it goes so well with this. And I think it would look adorable. Boy, that lantern's heavy. Woo! Anyway, y'all see where I'm going with this? So, when I went to Walmart, so as I was browsing up and down the curtain rod aisle at Walmart, they really didn't have but maybe 3 choices for this French door. So I chose this. I initially wanted white, so it would kind of blend with the door, but they didn't have white. They didn't have white curtain rings, which is what I'm going to use to hang my valance. And so that was disappointing. And I'm like, well, gosh, I don't want a white pole with dark curtain rings. So I just decided to get these. And I thought, you know what, Liz, it wouldn't be that bad because it will tie in with your espresso island. So that's kind of where I'm going with this, is I'm going to place it up a little bit higher to give it a little bit of height. And I think it'll be cute. And this will be a staple piece in my seasonal decor because what I'll do is just run to Walmart. When I get tired of my valances or material, I'll just run to Walmart and get something else, which is kind of fun. So, like, you know, after Christmas, like when we, you know, embark on spring, you know, I'll go in with different colors. And maybe during summer, I'll go in with more of coastal colors. And so I think it'll be something fun and something different and something unique. Other than these plain, white, boring French doors with my boring white kitchen. We need color, people, for Christmas. So let's get going. Okay, guys, let's do this. Now, y'all are going to laugh at me because, and my husband would get me if he knew I was doing this, I'd never measure Never, never, never eyeball it. That's just how I've done things my entire life, and it's usually seems to work out. So I'm going to pre-drill up here because I am going into really hard wood. And then I'm going to screw this into the wood. Okay, guys, I sure hope you can see. Hold on. I need an assistant. So I'm up here on my little chair, and I'm deciding where I want it. I want it up a little bit higher, not like right there, because I want to give it a little bit of height. And I'm just placing it like this. Got a little pencil, and I'm just drawing little dots where I want it. And then that way I know exactly where to pre-drill. So now I've got my pre-drill. That's not my pre-drill. This is my pre-drill. Okay guys, so what I am doing is I've got this little thing, and I've just gone up here. I've marked it with a little pencil so I know exactly where to do my pre-drilling. So that's what I'm going to do now. Let's do this. Easy peasy. So now I'm going to go ahead and screw this hook in, and then I'll be able to do the other side more accurately without measuring, I might add. I got a little carried away. So now that this one is in nice and securely, I've just marked where this goes, and I've stood back and it looks even to me, so we're good to go. I'm going to pre-drill this. See how quick and easy that was? So now I'm just taking the little finial off and then sliding all of these on. Easy, easy peasy. Slide this back on. It's a little tricky at the, hold on, got all my little hooks on. And now I can just place this up here. And then I just need to get my material ready. No sew too, that's the best part. No sew. Okay guys, when I went to Walmart, I got 2 yards. So it was like $11.96 for this. And I thought that was dirt cheap, because if I went to buy a curtain valance, well, it could have been the same price, but I like making my own, and you'll see why. I think they turn out so cute. So again, I just eyeballed about how much material I'm going to need, and I'm going to cut it. Let's see, I've got plenty of material. So here we go. Let's get to cutting. Okay, see this material right here? All I'm going to do, it's kind of awesome because it acts as a really good guide for me. And if I wanted to, I could hot glue this down like this. But I don't think I'm going to have to, because what I'm going to do is clip this onto my clips, and then you'll see where we go with this. Okay guys, see? I have folded this over, and then I'm going to just take this and fold it like this. And that is going to be my first clip. Let me grab my chair. Handy dandy chair. Same thing over here. Gonna okay. Don't worry. It's not going to stay like that. Just wait for it. Okay, guys, I'm taking some ribbon. I also got this at Walmart. And I know this is going to seem rather unconventional, but I do things Liz's way because it's the only way I know how to do it. So, and I've done valances before, and this is how I've done them, and they've turned out really cute. So, just trust me on this. So see where I'm going with this? And I'm going to drop this ribbon right here for a second. Let some out. And what I do is I usually, the struggle with ribbon is real. So I initially thought, do I do a cute bow? And do I leave like little, you know, the ribbon kind of hanging? Which I've done that in the past and it looks really cute. But there's going to be a lot of ribbon and things going on in here. So I think I'm just going to keep it simple. But I just tied a simple knot. And then you just tuck it behind. Done. Right? So I'm going to do the same with this side. Make sure it's tight. Nobody has to even know it's there. Done. I mean, seriously, how simple was that? And it really is adding a lot of color and cheerfulness to the kitchen. So I couldn't be happier. Okay, guys, you don't know this, but I did. After I did this video footage, it dawned on me, I've got 2 hours before the kids get home, and I'm like, I've got nothing for dinner, and oh, I got to run to Michael's. So I was like, keys, purse, let's go. And then when I got home, put the groceries away and other stuff, it dawned on me, Liz, you didn't do a closing part to your video. So here I am. And forgot to eat lunch today, so I ran in. By the way, guys, I made the best peanut butter keto cookies last night. So good. And you freeze them. When you freeze them and eat them, they are the bomb.com. Let me tell you, super happy with this recipe. But anyway, I just had one of those for lunch, hence the reason I have no lipstick on. I just came home and wolfed one down. Anyway, thanks guys for stopping by to see me adding holiday color to the kitchen. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm not sure what's next because every day I think, oh, I'll show them this, and then it's like, oh, squirrel. You know, I get derailed, you know, completely derailed. I must have ADD. I really do think I do. But anyway, So anyway, I'm not sure what we'll be doing tomorrow, but it will be something Christmas related, so stay tuned. All right, guys, have a great evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.